Well, spring is here. It doesn't look like it, but it's about plus 17 out, even though there's snow everywhere still. And what we're going to do is, after the oiling job that we did on the truck in the fall, it needs a good bath. And the trailer, I'm not really liking all this surface rust coming through. So we've gone out and we've got some paint and stuff. We're going to repaint the trailer black. And then what we're going to do is we're just going to let it sit and dry overnight. But a whole bunch of stuff. We're going to wash it up first. I'm not going to replace any of the boards because they're still in good shape. But we're getting ready for the 2018 Derby season. We've already got all the LED lights on this trailer. So this is going to go pretty easily. We're not going to do anything too aggressive. We're just going to pressure wash it down, get all the mud off. We went out and bought some black gloss armor coat. And some painting utensils. Going to be pretty good here doing this. Be nice to get a fresh coat of paint on this. Got to make sure that we do not paint over those yellow stickers that just cost me all that money. Alright, let's get going. We got the trailer all pressure washed and wiped down. As you can see, it's a little bit rusty, but it's not like bad rust, it's just surface rust. I guess all rust is bad rust, but whatever. It's all been pressure washed, as you can see. Just getting her all cleaned up. We also washed the truck, so that's the first wash of this truck for the year. Damn, does she look good. But now it's time to start painting. I said I just bought armor coat, rust paint. Just gonna pop it open and then start brushing. So there's nothing really to this, guys, but honestly, little things like this will stop the MTO or DOT or state troopers, wherever you guys are. This will stop them really from hassling you. If your stuff looks nice, usually it's nice. So that little bit of extra time that you take to make your crap look pretty, just keep polishing that turd there, guys. my God. Look how nice that trailer looks. I think it looks nicer now than the day that my wife and I bought this thing. Just shows you a coat of paint goes a long way. This goes for making your trailer look nice, and it goes for passing the rules at a demolition derby. A good coat of paint does wonders. So we have a sexy looking truck, and we have a sexy looking trailer. As you can see, I put all the little toe rings up, so then that way when they dry, they do not dry in the down position. And as you can see, I'm definitely not a painter. There is black paint everywhere on the ground. There's my brush. That was a new brush. Now it's a piece of junk. I'm just waiting for it to dry so I can put it in the trash. But look how nice this trailer looks. We even went around the lights. We didn't even paint over the lights. That's a professional job there. Oh, even did the underside. Take a look at that. Now that looks pretty. This thing looks brand new. It looks better now than when I bought it. So look at all the paint in the water. That's not that good. Anyway, just getting ready for the 2008 Demolition Derby year. We have a freshly painted trailer, we have a freshly washed truck, and the truck has a whole bunch of new parts into it. And you know what, this year here, we're going to look snazzy driving up to the Demolition Derbies. So, thanks everybody for watching. See you guys back here tomorrow.